back to Waldron 3D Workshop. Really excited to share with you the now completed life-size Friesian horse sculpture I've been working on. As you can see, it's massive. I barely fit myself in this frame, so you can see it. Definitely the largest sculpture I've done thus far, and with that, just so many challenges along the way. But God had a solution for every challenge, and so I'm really glad I trusted Him at the beginning, and just one step at a time. And here we are at the finish line. So one of the more challenging aspects as it got larger and larger in size is how to hang this sculpture securely. And so a lot of time went into designing and fabricating the wall hanging system, and also the removable stand so that I can transport it and hang it safely. So other than that, since the last session, you can see added the tail, which just does so much to the piece, really completes it. And the material itself just adds so much, in the mane and the tail, so much life and movement to the overall sculpture. So it's just so dynamic, and I love it. And really excited to see where it's going to find its home, and so more and more people can share it and enjoy it as I have. And yeah, just really grateful that I got to share this process with you, and I really look forward to the next one.